So throughout our course, you're going to always have access to a calculator, or at least I'll allow you access to a calculator anytime. So I don't want you to spend any time learning the methods for how to calculate things by hand, although if you want to do that, that's fine. What I do want you to think about, though, is where students have trouble is figuring out what math operation to do. So it's pretty intuitive when to do addition and subtraction, but as soon as you get to multiplication and division, students start to have trouble telling when they should multiply and when they should divide and which number to multiply by which and that sort of thing. So that's what I want to talk a little bit about. So first we're going to cover multiplication. I'm going to tell you the difference between multiplication and division, and then we'll do a few multiplication problems. So multiplication is what you're going to use when you have the same number repeated several times and I'm looking for the total. So really multiplication is just repeated addition. So here's a problem similar to one I was doing recently. I've got a 14-inch wide storage container and I want to put 4 of them across the body of a van, and I want to know how much space would I need to do that. So I know how many I'm going to do, and I know their width, and so what I'm going to do is do 14 times 4. Now I could do that as 14 plus 14 plus 14 plus 14. That's what I mean about it being repeated addition, but it saves you a lot of time to do 14 times 4. Okay, so same number repeated multiple times. Now just as a quick contrast, division is how many will fit. So I know the total distance. So this is a van that's 112 inches. The cargo load is 112 inches long. Those cargo containers are 28 inches long, and I want to know how many of those will fit down this thing. So if I'm doing how many will fit, then I'm going to do a division problem. So for this one, I'm going to do 112 divided by 28. So that's the difference between division and multiplication.